This meditation will humble your specific person, make them see your worth, and make them chase you. This meditation is super potent and super powerful and will melt your specific person's ego and make them obsessed, committed, and prioritize you. You won't have to chase them or even lift a finger, because after listening to this, they will desperately miss you and beg to be around you 24/7. Now let's begin. They know how lucky they are to have my attention. They know I am a prize. They recognize my worth and value. They are humble. Their ego is melted. Their heart melts for me. Their ego is completely dissolved. I am so happy and satisfied to see their ego melted. They think I'm perfect. They have a soft spot for me and only me. They choose me. They always rise to the occasion when it comes to me. They cherish me as they should. They need me like the air they breathe. They want and crave me. They are completely obsessed with me, and I am all they ever think about. Their love for me is a priority over their ego. They are determined to create harmony in this love connection with me. They are working overtime to make things perfect between us. They always respect me. I am their pride and joy. They are proud to do right by me. They feel fulfilled with me and only me. They literally need me. They are emotionally vulnerable and understanding with me. They are sweet with only me. They are constantly calling and texting me. They are always checking in with me and being so courteous. I am their first thought every morning. I am their last thought before bed. They are always telling their friends how much they love me. They are always telling everyone that they can't get me out of their mind. They literally can't stop thinking about me in the best ways. I'm all that matters to them now. I love seeing them so humble, so sweet and kind. I love seeing them work things out with me. They already know life is a nightmare without me. My love and presence is their hedge of protection. I give them life and they honor me. I am their peace and happiness. They worship the ground I walk on. They are so vulnerable with me now. They only find peace with me. I am their safe place. I am their happy place. They cling onto me. I'm their oxygen. They thank God for me. They are so thankful for our relationship. They drop everything and everyone for me. I am the one they always prefer to be with. I satisfy all their needs and desires. They are obsessed with me. I am their weakness. They can only feel good with me. They are insanely addicted to me. I am the only person they will ever love. Their entire life revolves around me and only me. My love melts their ego. Making me feel loved is their life's purpose. Serving me gives them joy. My presence is their highest privilege. God puts us together so nobody can ever take us apart. They are already so in love with me. They are always thinking of me. I'm their best friend. I'm their favorite person. I'm their everything. We always love being together all day, every day. We always love waking up and falling asleep in each other's arms every day. Everything I do literally makes them love me more. Every single thing I do makes them more obsessed with me. Even the most mundane things I do and say make them feel like I am the most important person to them. They only have an emotional bond with me. I'm the only one they show their affection to. They only listen to me now. We are a match made in heaven. They are always getting flashbacks of our happy moments together. They literally only remember good things about us. They defend me and speak highly of me to everyone. They cut off anyone who tries to interfere with our connection. They know I always come first. They have left their relationship baggage behind already. They are not afraid. They are diving headfirst into my love. They want to stay with me forever and create a future together. They write love letters to me. They constantly do random acts of love and kindness for me. I am their safe haven. They always feel so good around me. My presence gives them ecstasy. My voice gives them euphoria. They literally love bragging about being with me. They are officially all mine. I am the best and only option, always was, and they know it. I hold their soul in the palm of my hand. They need my beautiful energy to sustain themselves. Without me, they would just wither up and crumble. We have incredible conversations. They put in the effort to create harmony and chemistry with me. The universe says it is all done. Type, they are insanely addicted to me to affirm this meditation. Listen to this as many times as you can. The more you listen, the swifter the results. And if you want your desired person obsessed with you, let me help you by manifesting them for you. It is extremely easy to get super fast results. All you have to do is click the link in the description box below or head to joybyjanell.com. I have now manifested love for thousands of clients, and I can manifest your specific person's love for you today. I hope you have an amazing day and enjoy listening to this next meditation.